Don't let snow and ice slow you down. Join us in the process of installing and precisely fitting tire chains on your ATV. Start by laying the chains down flat on the ground behind the drive tires of the ATV. The chain fastener end should be pointing to the front of the vehicle, while the chain without any clips faces the back. Make sure the chains are free of any tangles and inspect for any signs of damage or wear. Once you've fine-tuned the position of your chains, back your ATV onto the center of the tire chains. Pull the chain evenly over the front of the tire. Once you place the chains on the top of the tire, your hands are free to bring the ends of the chain together. Feed the chain fastener or boomer hook through the hanging chain link and clip the fastener to the side chain. Repeat this process on the inside of the tire. Once both fasteners are attached, slip the first inner chain through its corresponding loop. Pull the inner chain tight and over to the outside of the chain, promoting even coverage of the chain on the tire. Use a shackle or U-bolt on the last link of the inner chain to lock it into position. Repeat this process for both inner chains. Once the inner chains have been secured and have a snug fit on the tire, refasten the chains as needed to provide an extra secure attachment. Extend the life of your chains with a tire chain adjuster. An adjustable spider bungee keeps your chains tight and in place when applied evenly on the exterior of your tire chains. If your tire chains have any extra chain links, use the bungee to hold them in place and out of the way. By following these steps for installing tire chains, you can get your ATV back on the roads and trails in no time.